Remove the screw on the bottom left side of the glove box with a Phillips head screwdriver. Use a 10mm socket to remove the bolt on the bottom right. Open the glove box. Remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the bottom panel. Detach the glove box. There are multiple tabs that keep the glove box locked in place. Disconnect the light by pinching its sides. Remove the filter tray. Remove the old filter from the tray and insert your new filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter tray. Reinstall the light. Reattach the glove box, making sure that all the tabs are locked into place. Reattach the bottom panel. Reinstall the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Close the glove box. Reinstall the screw on the bottom left side of the glove box. Use a 10mm socket to reinstall the bolt.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.